Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome again to another lesson on durusu العربية للناشئين. Today inshallah we are going to look at the last lesson on this book, Kitabu al-Awwal, and today we are going to look at الدرس الواحد والثلاثون, that is lesson 31. And the topic of this lesson is Hisham يذهب إلى السوق. This means Hisham is going to the market. So here we have اقرأ. اقرأ means read. اقرأ, read. So in this passage we have some series of dialogues that are describing Hisham's trip to the market. So the first paragraph we have Hisham يذهب مع والده إلى السوق مساء الثلاثاء. This means Hisham يذهب مع والده. This means Hisham is going with his father إلى السوق, to the market, مساء الثلاثاء, that is Tuesday evening. Masa means evening, then الثلاثاء means Tuesday. Hisham يذهب مع والده إلى السوق. Hisham is going with his father to the market مساء الثلاثاء, Tuesday evening. So below it we have Hisham يساعد والده ويحمل معه الأشياء. This means Hisham يساعد والده. Hisham is helping his father, walidahu, his father, وَيَحْمِلُ مَعَهُ الْأَشْيَاءَ, and he is carrying with him the things or the items. وَيَحْمِلُ مَعَهُ الْأَشْيَاءَ, and is carrying with him the items. So that is the first paragraph. So the next paragraph we have الْوَالِدُ يَأْخُذُ مَعَهُ حَقِيبَةً كَبِيرَةً. This means Al-Walidu, that is the father, يَأْخُذُ مَعَهُ, is taking with him حَقِيبَةً كَبِيرَةً, that is a big bag. Al-Walidu يَأْخُذُ مَعَهُ حَقِيبَةً كَبِيرَةً. The father is taking with him a big bag. وَهِشَامٌ يَأْخُذُ مَعَهُ حَقِيبَةً صَغِيرَةً. This means and Hisham is taking with him a small bag. So the next paragraph we have Al-Walidu يشتري صحيفة ومجلة. This means Al-Walidu, the father, يشتري صحيفة, is buying a newspaper, ومجلة, and a magazine, وزجاجة حبر, and the ink bottle. Zujaja means bottle, then hibrin means ink. وَهِشَامٌ يَشْتَرِي مِسْطَرَةً, and Hisham is buying a ruler, وَطَبَاشِيرَ, and chalks, وَعُلْبَةَ أَلْوَانٍ, and packet of colors. So the next paragraph we have الْوَالِدُ يَحْمِلُ السُّكَّرَ. This means the father is carrying the sugar, وَالدَّجَّاجَ, and the chicken, وَالزَّيْتَ, and the oil. وَهِشَامٌ يَحْمِلُ الْحَلْوَى, and Hisham is carrying the sweet, وَالْفَاكِهَةَ, and the fruit, وَالشَّايَ, and the tea. So the next paragraph we have الْوَالِدُ يَحْمِلُ أَشْيَاءَ كَثِيرًا. This means the father is carrying plenty things. وَهِشَامٌ يَحْمِلُ أَشْيَاءً كَثِيرًا, and Hisham is carrying plenty things as well. So this is the end of the dialogues that are describing Hisham's trip to the market with his father. So now let's look at some of the exercises that are below these dialogues. So the first one, here we have an instruction that says قُل. قُل means say. Uktub sahiha, write the sign good, أو خطأ, or wrong, that is bad. So here we are provided with some series of sentences that are talking about this passage. So the ones that are correct, we are going to put sahih, that is correct, in front of them, and the ones that are wrong, we'll put khata'un in front of them. So the first sentence we have يذهب هشام إلى السوق. This means Hisham is going to the market مع والده, with his father, مساء الثلاثاء, Tuesday evening. So according to the passage, this is correct. So in that case, we are going to put sahihun in front of it, which is correct. So number 2 we have يأخذ الوالد معه حقيبة صغيرة. This means the father is taking with him the small bag. So this is wrong according to the passage, because in the passage we said حقيبة كبيرة, that the father is taking the big bag. So here we put خطأ. So number 3 says يشتري هشام صحيفة ومجلة. This means Hisham is buying a newspaper and a magazine. So this is also wrong according to the passage, where it was the father that bought the magazine and the newspaper. So here we put خطأ. So number 4 we have يشتري الوالد زجاجة حبر. This means the father buys the ink bottle. So here we are going to put sahih, that is correct. So this is how we are going to complete this exercise. So now let's move on to the next exercise, and here we have an instruction that says أجب عن الأسئلة الآتية. This means answer the following questions. So question 1 we have متى يذهب هشام مع والده إلى السوق. This means when is Hisham going with his father to the market. So here we are going to say يذهب هشام مع والده إلى السوق مساء الثلاثاء, which means Hisham is going with his father to the market Tuesday evening. So number 2 we have كيف يساعد هشام والده. This means how is Hisham helping his father. So if you could remember, Hisham was helping his father by carrying his bag with him. So here we are going to say هشام يساعد والده ويحمل معه الأشياء, which means Hisham is helping his father and he takes with him the things. So number 3 we have ماذا يأخذ الوالد معه. This means what does the father takes with him. So here we are going to say يأخذ الوالد معه حقيبة كبيرة, that the father takes with him a big bag. So this is how we are going to complete this exercise. So now let's quickly move on to the next exercise. So here we have an instruction that says هل تعرف أيام الأسبوع. This means do you know the days of the week. So here we have اقرأ ثم اكتب, read then write. So in this exercise they want us to learn the days of the week. So the first one we have السبت. السبت means the Saturday, الأحد Sunday, الاثنين that is Monday, الثلاثاء that is the Tuesday, الأربعاء Wednesday, الخميس that is the Thursday, الجمعة the Friday. So number 2 we have أجب, that is answer. The first one we have أول يوم في الأسبوع هو. This means the first day of the week is. So here we are going to say السبت, that is the Saturday. Number 2 we have رابع يوم في الأسبوع هو, that is the fourth day of the week is, that is الثلاثاء Tuesday. اليوم الأربعاء, that is assuming today is Wednesday. وأمس, and tomorrow will be, that is الخميس, that is the Thursday. Then اليوم السبت, assuming today is Saturday. وغدا, and tomorrow will be الأحد, that is the Sunday. Then غدا الثلاثاء, tomorrow is Tuesday. واليوم الاثنين, and today will be Monday. So that is the end of that exercise. So now let's move on to the next exercise. So the next exercise we have an instruction that says أكمل كما في المثال, that is complete according to the example. So here we have an example. The first example we have warqatun, that is a paper. So with this word, we are going to use it to create a little dialogue. So we are going to begin by saying warqatu man hadhihi. This means whose paper is this? Then we are going to say hadhihi warqati. This is my paper. Uktub ismaki alayha. Write your name on it. Hadir, alright or okay. So that is the example. The number one, we have haqibatun. So here we are going to firstly say haqibatu man hadhihi. Whose bag is this? Then we respond by saying hadhihi haqibati. This is my bag. Uktub ismaki alayha. Write your name on it. Hadir, okay. So this is how we are going to complete this exercise. So now let's move on to the next one. And here we have an instruction that says imla il-firaghi bi kalimatin munasiba. Fill the empty space with a suitable word. Musta'inan bis-surah, with the use of the picture. So here we have number one, we have fil masa'i, in the evening. Tushahidul ummu, the mother watches. So here we have the picture of the television. So in that case we are going to say tushahidul ummu at-tilfiziyuna, that the mother watches the television. Wa yaqra'ul abu as-sahifata, and the father reads the newspaper. So fi hujratil julusi, in the sitting room we have the chairs. So in this case we are going to say fi hujratil julusi al-karasi, in the sitting room there are chairs. Wa tawilatun wahidatun, and one table. So that is the end of that exercise. So the next one, we have an instruction that says rattibil kalimati litusbiha ibaratan mufidatan. Arrange the words to become meaningful expressions. So number one, we have wa ta'malu al-baytu turattibu at-ta'am, and al-ummu. So in this case we are going to say al-ummu turattibu al-bayta wa ta'malu at-ta'ama. This means the mother arranges the house and prepare the food. So number two, we have al-ha'id ala as-suwar ba'du hunaka. So in this case we are going to say hunaka ba'du as-suwari ala al-ha'iti. There are some pictures on the wall. So this is how we are going to complete this. So now on the last exercise we have an instruction that says rattibil ibarati litusbiha faqratan mafhumatan. Arrange the expressions to become a meaningful paragraph. So here we are provided with a series of sentences which we are going to rearrange to become a meaningful paragraph. So inshallah, here we are going to end our today's lesson. And with this, we've come to the end of today's lesson, and also the end of the lessons on this book, Kitabu al-Awwal. We hope we enjoy the lessons, and we hope to see you in the explanation of the next book, Kitabu al-Thani, on العربية للناشئين. مع السلامة إلى اللقاء.